Good morning, students. How are you all? I hope you all are fit and fine. So, students, as we have done 6th chapter, and today we are going to start our new chapter, chapter 7, and the name of the chapter is Let Us Be Safe. So, first of all, I want to tell you that to be safe means to stay away from harm. We can be safe by following the safety rules. We must follow safety rules at home, on the road, in school, and while playing. So, start our reading. First of all, given below are some objects in Tia's house. Circle the objects which could harm her if not handled properly. Means you have to circle that object that could be harm for her and you also. So first picture is razor. It's a razor. It's very harm for her. So circle the razor. Next picture is toy. Toy is not harm for the children. Right? So it not be circle. It is knife. It's also harm. So circle the this object also. And this is ball. Ball is not harm and it's a matchstick. It is also harm. So these all things are harm for us. So circle these objects. Now let's start the reading. To be safe means to stay away from harm. We can keep ourselves safe by following some safety rules. Underline the word safety. S-A-F-E-T-Y. Safety. Safety means that keep us away from harm, जो हमें safe रखता है. Safety rules must be followed everywhere. Safety begins at home. Safety begins at home. Means we start our safety rules from the home. Do not play with sharp objects like knives and blades. Blades. This is a blade. Now turn to next page. So first safety rule that we should follow at home. Do not touch electric wires and switches. You can get an electric shock. Second is do not play with matchsticks. Third is do not slide on the railing or play on the rooftop. Underline the word railing. Now safety on the road. Do not run or play on the road. Never walk alone. Always have a companion with you while walking on the road or crossing the road. Companion. Underline the word companion. C-O-M-P-A-N-I-O-N. Companion means be with your elder brother, sister or your parents. Third is always walk on the footpath. If there is no footpath, walk on your left side. Fourth is follow traffic rules. Cross the road only at the zebra crossing. Fifth is when you cross the road, wait for the traffic to stop. First look to your right, then to your left and again to your right and then cross the road. There are many people who keep us safe from danger. Who are they? These people who keep us safe from dangers. Your parents, policeman and teacher. Come to the next. Safety while playing. Children often hurt themselves while playing. Do not play near thorny bushes. Thorny. Underline the thorny. Thorny means जो कांटेदार झाड़ियाँ होती हैं. Second is do not fight while playing. Look at this picture. These boys are fighting. Play safe games. Follow the rules of the games. Return home before it gets dark. Safety rules in school. Do not run in the corridors or while climbing or moving down the stairs. Wait for your turn while getting on the bus. Third is do not go alone for a swim. And look at this sign. The sign that is shown here stands for danger. This is the sign of danger. First aid is the first help given to an injured, underline the word injured, person. We need a first aid box to give first aid. So these things should be in the first aid box: antiseptic lotion, cotton roll, band-aid. And this is first aid box. Now turn to next page. If you need help or get hurt or injured, call an elder. Now main points that we read in this chapter. First is to be safe means to stay away from harm, and we can be safe by following the safety rules. We must follow safety rules at home, on the road, in school and while playing. So students, this is your 7th chapter. Read it thoroughly and underline the difficult word. Thank you. Have a nice day.